crossed. Okay, now little I'll be trying to keep this part on the empty space of the road. The new drivers are not able to make the right decision to keep the left side safe. And don't overtake on the turning. Right now there is a exact moment to overtake, but there is a guy crossing the road with a cycle. I crossed him, check my overview, then again come to the left side. Hey guys, welcome to Rakesh Driving Tricks. In this video we'll be learning about the car judgment, the left side and the right side. Many people are commenting that please make a video on English, so this will be an English video. And in this one I'll be driving a car in the local roads, and you need to watch the car left side and the right side. The very important thing is that you have to observe the car middle point of the dashboard. Okay, first of all, just divide the car dashboard, this windshield, into two sections, this one and this one, from the middle towards right and towards left. And the very basic steps is that whenever we try to cross any vehicle from our left side, if you are driving from this side, from the right hand side drivers, you have to keep the vehicle just left side of the middle of the car and give some gap like this. So this line is the line for the left wheel corner. Okay, so just go outside of your car, mark a position over there, exactly pointing from your left wheel side corner. Okay, left side corner. This thing will be just opposite. If you're driving from this section, you have to observe this section. Okay, the right side. But for the right-handed drivers, we have to observe the left wheel corner for the judgment, along with the overview, the mirrors. This road is very uneven. Okay, so let's go ahead and observe very carefully the pillars of the car, the right side A pillar and the left side A pillar. If I want to cross any small vehicle, any lesser wide vehicles like bike or cycle, we have to keep that. We can keep it left side of the middle of the car over here, and we can cross it easily for a safe left side judgment. And for any bigger size vehicles like bus or truck, we have to keep it left side of this line, outside this line. Okay, and whichever vehicle is coming from my right side, I have to keep that vehicle outside this line. And you have to think always, this is the zone, this is the safe zone. No vehicle should be inside this zone. Okay, this is the red zone, you can say. So wherever the road is empty, I will try to put this part on the empty space of the road, this part. Okay, so observe over here very carefully, don't skip the video. Let's go ahead. Okay, so right now it's a little busy street. It's not so empty and not so crowded, but the roads are not good at all. Okay, I have to overtake this one. Can I cross it? Okay, so I'll be crossing from here. Okay, it's a fully uneven road like this. See my steering rotation. Okay, the steering right side tells the right side judgment, and the left side of the steering tells us the left side judgment. Okay, and we just estimate the wheel direction from the steering wheel itself. I have to go right side, right indicator. Okay, I have to stop over here. It's a running road now, like this. Observe the left side overview. While we drive, always don't miss the overview. For every after seconds, no, you have to just observe the overview. Just watch the overview at an angle like this. Okay, like this. And on the overview, divide the overview mirror into two sections. The vehicle's right side of the overview are closer to you, and the vehicle's left side of this overview is just behind you. The right side are the dangerous, okay, and the left side are the safest. Okay, give me some. My English is not so good. I'll be trying to make you understand, as this channel videos, all those are commenting on my Facebook, all from African countries, European, American, so my English is not so good. Okay, just observe the video and try to understand. Okay, let's see over here. Okay, always drive at a speed of around 45 or 50 kmph, not more than that for the new drivers. And if you're driving on the highways, keep your speed around 90 or 100 if it is a one-way highway. So in India, we are driving in a local town. This is not a city, and over here there are some very dangerous roads, like there are all lanes everywhere. Okay, anytime any vehicle or bike can come from the left side, right side. So we have to observe and stay calm, and just we have to be very cautious every time. And it's a challenge, everyday challenge, driving on such roads. Okay, see over here, this bus is very far away from me. I cannot cross him because there are vehicles on my right side. Once this rickshaw is over here, I can cross it. See, so So I also have to observe the vehicles coming on the right side. I have to calculate the distance so that while I overtake any vehicle, I must be confirmed that the vehicle coming on the right side is much far away, so that I can overtake it easily and come onto my left side, like this. Now gear down, okay, second gear, because there is a bumper, speed breaker ahead. Now I have to keep it outside this line. See this one. See this one. This is school student, sir. So he is just using his light to inform me he's coming to this side. So I turn little to the left side. Okay. Now observe very carefully. Driving like this, always keep a distance of around 3 to 4 feet on the left side of the vehicle. It will be very helpful for you. Okay guys, always keep 3 feet distance is enough, because whenever any vehicle is coming on the right side, so that you can give sight to that vehicle if there's any emergency for you. Okay, see over here, it crossed. Okay, now little slow down. Now there's another bumper. The auto rickshaw is coming on the right side given to him. Okay, now gear down like this, and always balance the steering while we drive. The very most important thing is wheel balancing. How much we're tilting this or rotating this train to the right side, then we have to take it back to its original position. Okay, so we try to keep our car straight along with the road. If the road is like this, we have to keep the car like this. Okay, it's a junction road, so please use horn on the junctions. So the empty space of the road is on the right side, so I'll be trying to keep this part on the empty space of the road. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, just observe this position. So actually what the issue is that for the left side judgment, the main critical thing is we cannot estimate, or the new drivers are not able to make the right decision to keep the left side safe. But what we have to do for that, we have to observe the car middle. Okay, we have to observe the car middle, and then we can move ahead. And also you have to check the word beam. Sometimes you can see I'm just stopping completely because there are some rickshaws or there are some bike scooters on the left side. So I have to make sure that those scooty or bikes are far away from my vehicle on the left side of my car at the back side, rear section. Okay, so for the judgment, we have to see the front side, okay, the rear side, the rear left side, the rear right side, everything. Not only the front crosses, and then for that the rear will also cross, not like that. You have to just observe both front and rear. Okay, see over here, the car is moving in this direction, little rotation. Okay, like this. See over here, I will slow down. There's a lady with a scooty. It's very dangerous because these ladies drive very carelessly. Okay, you can see the rickshaw is in front of me. If I need to cross this rickshaw, left side of the middle of the car over here, and if this rickshaw is of around size of around, if it is 8 or 9 feet, it's a bigger one, then I have to keep that outside this line. Over here you can see I just watched the distance, the rickshaw coming from the right side, okay, before overtaking. See over here, and don't overtake on the turnings. Okay, there's a blind turn ahead, like this. Slow down. See over here, brake. Now the car is in third gear. Speed is around 35, 36. See over here, little rotation of the steering. So right now I have to overtake this rickshaw. Okay, so first of all there is a blind side ahead. So to overtake this one, I have to make sure that there is no vehicle on the right side of this rickshaw. Okay, so once the right side is empty, I can overtake him. But I have to use my indicator as well while overtaking, because there is a bike behind me. He is trying to overtake me also. Okay, like this. I'll be crossing him. Okay, crossed him. Once I crossed, I check my left side and then come to the left side. Okay, after you overtake any vehicle, please don't forget to watch the word beam. You have to watch the word beam, then come to your left side if you are driving on this side of the road. Okay, this is very much important. this guy is trying to overtake me. I give him space to overtake like this. See over here. See over here. I need to overtake these two rickshaws from here. Now it's done. See over here. I'm just also watching the IRVM as well. IRVM and two ORVMs. Okay. I overtake him. Watch my left side ORVM and then come to this side. Okay. Similarly, this one. First of all, I need to check this. There's a dog. Okay. I need to check my right side. If any vehicle is coming from this side, I have to wait. Don't overtake, please. Don't overtake on the blind spot, or don't overtake on the crossings. Don't overtake on the junctions. Okay. If there's any U-turn, don't overtake on the U-turns. Just wait, have some patience, then overtake. Okay. Right now over here like this, I keep them just left side of this section. Just make sure the left side of the car is safe as well. The right side vehicles are coming, your car is far away from them, like this. It's much far away from those vehicles. Okay. It's recording, right? Okay. So like this. And use horn when it is required. Don't use horn unnecessarily. Okay. It's on the third gear, now fourth gear. The road is empty. And also there are some videos using my clutch, how I'm using my gears and clutch. Please also watch that video. I'll provide the link on this video description. Okay, like this. Little steer right. So over here, see, like this, like this. I overtake him. Watch my left side, watch my right side, then coming towards the left side. See over here, there's a rickshaw in front of me. I will not be able to overtake it because there are some vehicles coming from the right side as well. Now have patience and drive behind that vehicle, giving some space. Okay, right now there is a exact moment to overtake, but there is a guy crossing the road with a cycle. I crossed him, check my ORVM, then again come to the left side. So this is the exact way of how to drive. Okay, over here I have to use my brake as well. I'll be slowing down. Please do like and subscribe if you like this video. If you have any queries, please do comment. And from which country you're watching, please do mention on my comment section so that I can make such type of videos. Okay, till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.